How to create a Bitget account. Hello everyone. Bitget is currently one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offering users a safe and easy to use trading platform. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Bitget account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To create an account and receive attractive offers from Bitget, visit coinaz.net/Bitget. Or click on the Bitget account creation link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter the email or phone number you want to use to create your account. Then, create a password for your account. Here are the password requirements. I'll use an example password as shown on the screen. Click here. Click Create Account. Next, select the icons in the correct order. Click OK to confirm. Bitget just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the message that Bitget just sent me. If you don't see the message in your inbox, click here. And check your spam folder. Now, I will open the message. This is the verification code. You can copy it. Then, paste or enter the code here. Your account has been successfully created. Please complete identity verification to access all Bitget services. Click Verify now to get started. Click here. First, select your country or region of residence, and the country or region where your document was issued. Next, click here to choose the type of ID you want to use. You can choose an ID card, passport, or driving license. After selecting your document, click Continue. Click Continue. Bitget will ask you to complete 2 steps. Provide your ID and complete facial verification. Click Start Verification. Click Agree and continue to confirm. At this step, choose the issuing country and document type for verification. After selecting your document, click Continue. Here are the requirements for verification. Click Continue. Select Allow to access the camera and place your document inside the frame. The next step is facial verification. Click Continue. Your identity verification is under review. Bitget will notify you once it's completed. Click back. Click here to return to the home page. To secure your account, click here. Click Security. I'll show you how to secure your account using the Google Authenticator app. Click here. Bitget will show you a QR code and a setup key to link your account to the Authenticator app. You can either scan the QR code or enter the key manually. I'll enter the key manually. Click here to copy the key. Now, I'll show you how to install the Google Authenticator app. To install the app, open the App Store on iPhone, or Google Play if you're on Android. Here, search for Google Authenticator. This is the app we need to download. Click here to download it. Then, click here to open the app. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. To begin, either scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key. I'll choose Enter a setup key. First, enter an account name. Next, I'll paste the key I copied from Bitget. You can also enter it manually. Click Add. This is the verification code generated by the app. Please go back to Bitget and enter this code. Enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Click Submit. Bitget requires email verification. Click Send to receive the code. Bitget just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email and enter the code. Click Confirm to complete the process. You've successfully linked your Google Authenticator app. I've completed the guide on creating a Bitget account. Wishing you success.